Hi dears, welcome back to BitFocus. As we have learned about operators in our previous video, so you can find it in channel BitFocus and playlist. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any comments about previous videos, so you can put comments in channel BitFocus. In this session we will learn about collections in Python. So what are collections in Python? If you are familiar with arrays in other programming languages like C#, C++, Java or JavaScript, now collections are the same as arrays. It means it is a single data type with many values. But there are four types of collections in Python. Please try to remember: list, tuple, set, or dictionary. List, tuple, set, dictionary. These four collections or arrays are existing in Python. Any of them has its own specifications, so there are a bit differences between them. For example, list is a kind of collection which allows duplicate members. It means you can define duplicate elements or members in a list. It is changeable. It is another specification. List is changeable. You can change one member with another. It is ordered. It means that whenever for the first time you declare a list with a few members, but as long as you print it, the order of its members are the same, no changes. And tuple also, like list, allows you to define or insert duplicate members. It is also ordered, but it is unchangeable. It means you cannot change one member of a tuple with something else or something different. Set is a kind of collection which doesn't allow you duplicate members. Its members must be unique, and it is unordered. Means whenever you define or insert a bunch of members in set, so anytime you print, the order of its members can change. For example, when you define three members like A, B, C, anytime you print, the order of this A, B, C can be changed. For example, the first time it may be shown A, B, C, but the second time you print, it may be shown B, C, A, like this. And the fourth one, or the last one, which is dictionary. Dictionary is also a kind of collection which doesn't allow you duplicate members. Its members must be unique, and it is unordered, also the same as set. It is changeable. Fortunately or unfortunately, it is changeable because you can change one member with something different, but it is indexed. Remember please, it is indexed, zero indexed. So now we come to make some examples for them, but today in this video we will learn about lists, the first one. The others one are remaining, so we can tell more about them in other videos. We define a list. For example, list 1. It is an example. Please remember, curly brackets are used for defining or declaring lists. A, B, C. You can add different members for a list. Here I have declared A, B, C. You can declare different types like integer, string, or float, but here it is only in strings. So it is a list. If we print, you see, if you want to know the type, is it list or something else, from in our previous videos we have told about it. So type list 1. So you see list, it is list. But there are some methods for lists in Python. You can use the methods like to insert a new member, to remove a member, to make a list fully empty, or many other methods. So there, for example, we can use len. I have told about it in the previous videos. So len list 1. You see 3. It means there are 3 members in this list. ABC3. Yes. So it is changeable. You can change. But first we should print. We should print the second element. So list 1. Why 1 here? Because it is 0 index. Its index is starting from 0. So 1 is the second member. It is B. You see B is printed here. So we can change. For example, we can change B with something different. For example, B Z. When you print list 1, you see Z is, or Z is replaced here. You can add or insert a new element or a new member. List 1 dot insert. This method helps to insert a new member. We are in which index we should insert this member. For example, we say 1. 10. What does it mean? Insert is used to insert a new member. We are 1. So now B has index 1, but when we use insert 1 means before B another member or a new member is inserted. What is the new member? It is 10. So how? You see A 10 Z C. Now the index of Z is 2. Before it was 1. So now 1 is reserved for 10. Okay. And another method, list 1 dot pop. What does it mean? It means that the last element or the last member is removed. So how? You see C is displayed here. Why? It means that C is removed now. So if we print, you see now C is not existing here. Okay, and there is another method, remove. So now here this is a hint, means value. It means that type the value, which value should be removed. So we say Z. Z is removed. Now you see 10, A10, and Z is not existing anymore because it is removed. And how about so also you can use loop, for, while, any loop you want you can use. So we use for a variable x in list 1. If you do not know this, doesn't matter, no worries. We will tell more about loops in our next videos. Just here it is an example. It means it is for loop. We want to print the two members here. Now two members are remaining, so now we want to print it. X is a variable, no matter any variable you can put here. In, we have talked about in our previous video. It shows the membership, or it is membership operator. List is our list, so we will talk about it. You see A10 because there are two members, so A and 10 is looping now. And there is another method which is used to clear all the members of a list. What is that? List1.clear. This clear is used to remove all the members of a list. It makes our list empty, and the result is an empty list. So you see now our list is empty. Only an empty list is printed here. So it was our today's lesson about list. I hope you have learned about list now. So if you have any questions or any suggestion, you can put comments on our channel BitFocus. Please try to remember all these methods about list. So please try not to forget to subscribe to our channel BitFocus to get benefited from our next videos. Thank you.